My advice for the class of 2028 would be that comparison is the thief of joy. So don't compare yourself to anyone else. Don't compare yourself to the rest of the classmates. You are running your own race and you will get there and you're all going to get your degree at the end.
Seize every opportunity presented to you.
You're going to do great. Reminders, advocate for yourself, your patience for others, and don't forget to eat.
My advice for the class of 2028 would be to live in the moment because the 4 years goes by fast and I'm really going to miss everybody here.
My advice to the new incoming class is just make as many connections as you can with your peers, and because one day you're going to be here and they're going to be your colleagues.
My advice for the class of 2028 would be to get a hobby. It is so tempting to have vet school be your only thing that you do, but it's so important for your mental health to have something that you do that has nothing to do with vet school.
Vet school is going to be one of the last times you're with these many people. Take advantage of how many wonderful people are in your class, because these are the people who, when you're scared and stressed on clinics, are the people who are going to be there with you at 2 a.m. making it worthwhile.
My advice would be make a ton of friends and take advantage of all the experiences that the school has to offer. Good luck.